Before human beings understood the hidden beauty of the ocean, before science revealed the life that hides among its colors, there already existed a world where every flash could conceal a danger. In the most colorful ocean on the planet, among bright reefs, crystalline waters and camouflaged creatures, life hides, lurks. And survives in almost impossible forms. Welcome to Exploring the Ocean, hidden creatures in the most colorful world on the planet. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. To give us more motivation to keep creating quality content, don't forget to comment below on what you thought of the video and tell us where you are watching from, so we can chat together. May God bless everyone with health, peace and love for nature. Let's begin. In the gelid depths of the North Atlantic dwells a creature whose appearance challenges the conventional aesthetics of fish. The lumpsucker fish, scientifically known as Cyclopterus lumpus, is a living sphere of muscle and amazing adaptations. Its pelvic fins have transformed into a high-power biological suction cup, allowing it to anchor firmly to rocks and algae. This adaptation allows it to withstand strong oceanic currents without being swept away by the turbulent swell of the Arctic Sea. Once the female deposits the eggs, the male assumes the role of supreme guardian, a mission of absolute loyalty in the abyss. With constant movements of his fins, he ventilates the clutch to ensure an uninterrupted flow of oxygen-rich water. Despite his size of barely 50 centimeters, the male fiercely defends the territory against any predator that attempts to approach. For weeks, the father refuses to feed, dedicating every gram of his energy exclusively to the survival of his offspring. The lumpsucker is a vital component of the marine ecosystem, acting as a natural regulator of small crustacean populations. He is the little warrior of the North, a figure of tenacity that proves strength lies in the capacity to resist and protect. In the vibrant reefs of the Indo-Pacific, a small fish of bright colors challenges the laws of marine danger. The clownfish, belonging to the subfamily Amphiprioninae, is the most charismatic and brave inhabitant of this ecosystem. Its existence is inseparably linked to the sea anemone, an organism loaded with venomous tentacles. For any other fish, brushing against these tentacles means instant paralysis, caused by nematocysts loaded with toxins. The clownfish possesses a protective mucus layer that makes it invisible to the stinging cells of its host. This biological immunity turns the anemone into an impenetrable fortress, against larger predators. In exchange for refuge, the clownfish cleans the anemone's parasites and provides nutrients through its waste. Social life in the anemone is governed by a strict hierarchy dominated by a single large female. If the dominant female dies, the largest male will change sex to take her place in an extraordinary biological process. During the reproduction season, the pair cleans a smooth rock surface near the base of their protector. The female deposits hundreds of orange eggs, which the male fertilizes and watches with absolute attention. The father uses his fins to oxygenate the clutch and removes any particle of dirt that could harm the embryos. Despite measuring barely 10 centimeters, the clownfish will attack with ferocity any intruder that invades its vital space. Its quick and zigzagging movements confuse rivals, while the fish quickly retreats among the lethal tentacles. The clownfish is the symbol of perfect cooperation, a small warrior reigning in the dangerous beauty of the reef. Under the rays of sun that pierce the blue mantle of the ocean, the most elegant and majestic figure of the coral gardens emerges. The angelfish, belonging to the family Pomacanthidae, is the true aesthetic queen dominating the stage of the reefs. With a distribution spanning the tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific and the Caribbean, this fish is a symbol of purity and color. Its body is extraordinarily compressed laterally, allowing it to navigate through the coral labyrinth with millimeter precision. Depending on the species, an adult can reach a length of between 20 and 60 centimeters of pure visual splendor. The colors of its skin are a living work of art, combining electric blues, intense yellows, and patterns that seem hand-painted. It possesses a strong and sharp preopercular spine at the base of its cheeks, a defensive tool unique against aggressors. This biological weapon allows it to wedge itself into rock crevices if a predator tries to pull it out of its safe refuge. Its vision is exceptionally sharp, allowing it to detect small crustaceans and sponges hidden in the gloom of the reef. Unlike other fish, the angelfish is a specialist in consuming marine sponges, a food source containing glass spicules. Its digestive system has evolved to process these toxins and hard materials, occupying an ecological niche that few can inhabit. It performs a vital mission as a reef gardener, controlling the growth of sponges so that the coral can thrive. Its territorial behavior is fierce. The angelfish defends its plot of food with a determination that scares larger rivals. It communicates through powerful guttural sounds produced by rubbing its internal bones, warning intruders to stay away. Many species undergo an amazing chromatic change, where juveniles have colors totally different from those of adults. This juvenile camouflage works as a protective shield, allowing them to hide among vegetation without being detected by hunters. On the scale of maneuverability, the angelfish surpasses the fastest predators thanks to its ability to rotate 360 degrees. During twilight, these swimming jewels retreat to the deepest cracks to sleep, protected from the current. Its presence is an indicator of the health of the marine ecosystem, reflecting the purity of the water and the vitality of the surrounding coral. The angelfish is the vibrant spirit of the ocean, a masterpiece of evolution that fills the blue depths with magic. Among the intricate labyrinths of limestone and life, an explosion of color emerges that seems to have been painted by nature itself. The butterfly fish, belonging to the family Chaetodontidae, is the undisputed artist decorating the reefs of the world with its grace. With more than 120 recorded species, these fish are a marvel of biological diversity in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Its body is amazingly thin and compressed, an evolutionary adaptation that allows it to glide between the densest coral branches. Most species reach a length of between 12 and 22 centimeters, sporting geometric patterns of astounding complexity. They possess a dark spot near the tail known as an ocellus, which functions as a false eye to confuse predators. This visual distraction causes hunters to attack the rear of the fish, allowing it to escape in the opposite direction quickly. One of the most fascinating features of the butterfly fish is its absolute loyalty, almost always living in monogamous pairs. These life partners patrol the reef together, coordinating their movements in a synchronized dance that lasts for years. Pair fidelity ensures better territory defense and greater efficiency in searching for food resources. Its mouth is small and elongated, functioning like precision tweezers to extract small coral polyps and other invertebrates. When feeding, the butterfly fish plays a crucial ecological role by regulating the growth of certain coral and algae species. They possess dorsal fins with sharp spines that they can instantly bristle to appear larger and more dangerous to a threat. These spines can inflict a painful sting that dissuades predatory fish from trying to swallow them whole. Its agility is superior to that of many other reef inhabitants, being capable of rotating on its own axis in fractions of a second. They inhabit mainly shallow waters, less than 18 meters deep, where sunlight allows exuberant coral growth. The health of a butterfly fish population is a direct indicator of the conservation status of the entire surrounding marine ecosystem. During the night, these color artists change their pigmentation to darker tones to blend with the shadows of the rocks. They take refuge in narrow cracks where they remain motionless, protecting their fragile bodies from nocturnal hunters like moray eels. The butterfly fish is the guardian of coral aesthetics, a biological jewel symbolizing the beauty and fragility of the oceans. Among the most colorful reefs, a tireless worker emerges with an appearance reminiscent of jungle birds. The parrotfish of the family Scaridae is the fundamental architect in charge of sculpting the geography of tropical coasts. Its most distinctive feature is its beak-shaped mouth, composed of fused teeth that possess extraordinary hardness. With a powerful bite force, this fish scrapes algae off rocks and crushes the calcium carbonate skeleton of the coral. Its digestive system acts as a biological processor, grinding the stony material until it turns into fine particles. A single individual can produce up to 320 kilograms of white sand every year, transforming the reef into a coastal paradise. By removing the algae that suffocate the coral, the parrotfish ensures the health and growth of marine biodiversity. Its scales present a palette of vibrant colors, from electric blues to neon pinks under the tropical sun. During the night, some species secrete a transparent mucus cocoon to hide their scent from nocturnal predators. No other inhabitant of the ocean has such a direct influence on the creation of the sandy beaches we admire so much. It moves with elegance, using its pectoral fins, maintaining constant vigilance over its feeding territory. The parrotfish is the guardian of the reef's foundations, a masterpiece of evolution that builds the world with every bite. In the seagrass meadows and shallow mangroves, a being dwells whose silhouette seems taken from a mythological legend. The seahorse, belonging to the genus Hippocampus, is a master of patience that challenges all the norms of fish biology. Its body is not covered by scales, but by an armor of bony plates arranged in rings that grant it a unique structural rigidity. Unlike most fish, the seahorse swims in a vertical position, propelled by a small dorsal fin that vibrates rapidly. It uses its prehensile tail as a vital anchoring tool, allowing it to hold firmly to vegetation so as not to be swept away by currents. It is an expert in camouflage, capable of changing its pigmentation and developing skin filaments to blend perfectly with its surroundings. Its eyes can move independently, allowing it to watch for predators and locate prey at the same time in a 360-degree angle. Despite lacking teeth, it is a lethal hunter that uses its tubular snout to suck in small crustaceans with lightning speed. The suction created by its jaw can capture a victim located a few millimeters away in less than a fraction of a second. The most extraordinary aspect of its life is its reproductive system, where the conventional roles of nature are completely inverted. The male possesses a brood pouch on his abdomen where he receives the eggs from the female during a complex nuptial dance. During a gestation period lasting between 10 days and 6 weeks, the father nurtures and protects the embryos with his own body. The effort of giving birth can last hours, expelling up to 1,500 tiny young that are exact replicas of the adults. As a keystone species, its presence is a critical indicator of water purity and the health of coastal and reef ecosystems. The seahorse is the little warrior of the underwater shadows, an evolutionary miracle that reigns with a majestic fragility. In the vastness of the deep blue, a colossal shadow emerges, gliding with the elegance of a cloud moved by the wind. The giant manta ray, known scientifically as Mobula birostris, is the absolute sovereign of oceanic currents and a miracle of evolution. With a wingspan that can reach 7 meters, this giant seems to fly under the sea surface instead of simply swimming. An adult specimen can weigh up to 1,600 kilograms, an imposing mass that moves with a lightness that defies the laws of marine physics. Its majestic wings are actually widened pectoral fins, designed to generate a constant impulse with a minimum expenditure of energy. Unlike other rays, the manta does not possess a venomous stinger, trusting in its size and speed to navigate the abyss safely. It possesses 2 cephalic lobes on the front of its head that look like horns, which granted it the old name of devilfish. These lobes function as natural funnels that direct nutrient-rich water directly into its huge open mouth. It feeds through biological filtration, consuming large quantities of plankton, krill, and small fish while swimming rhythmically. The giant manta has the largest brain of all known fish, with a brain-to-body ratio that indicates superior intelligence. Recent studies suggest they possess self-awareness, being capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, a skill shared with dolphins and primates. They are known for their acrobatic jumps out of the water, rising several meters before impacting the surface with a massive thud. They frequent cleaning stations in the reefs, where small fish take care of removing parasites and dead tissues from their skin. This symbiotic relationship is an example of the social harmony that exists under the ocean, where giants depend on the smallest beings. They can reach a speed of 24 kilometers per hour when they need to escape from predators like large sharks or orcas. Their swimming is a rhythmic dance that hypnotizes divers, showing a natural curiosity toward the humans observing them. They are tireless migrants that travel thousands of kilometers across the open ocean to find the best feeding areas. As a keystone species, its presence is fundamental to maintaining the health of the pelagic ecosystem and global marine biodiversity. The manta ray is the symbol of peace and underwater elegance, a masterpiece of nature that navigates through the infinite blue. Conserving these giants is protecting the soul of the ocean, ensuring that their silent flight continues to amaze the world forever. In the vast blue highways that connect the continents, an ancestral traveller sails, having witnessed Earth's history for millions of years. The green turtle, scientifically known as Chelonia midas, is the sovereign of marine currents and a symbol of biological resilience. This magnificent reptile can reach a weight of 190 kilograms, possessing a hydrodynamic shell that allows it to furrow the ocean with unmatched elegance. Its name does not come from the color of its outer shield, but from the greenish fat accumulated due to its diet based exclusively on marine plants. It possesses an extraordinary biological superpower, an internal magnetic compass that allows it to navigate with precision through thousands of kilometers of open ocean. Every few years, the turtle undertakes an epic migration of more than 2,600 kilometers from its feeding grounds to the beaches where it was born. The journey is fraught with mortal dangers. In the shadows of the reef, the tiger shark lurks with a bite force of thousands of newtons. To evade its enemies, the turtle can swim at a speed of 35 kilometers per hour, using its front flippers as powerful oars. In addition to natural predators, today it faces the silent threat of plastic pollution, which it confuses with nutritious jellyfish. Upon reaching the coast, the female performs a heroic effort, dragging her heavy body across the sand to deposit nearly 100 eggs. She uses her rear flippers to excavate a deep chamber where the sand temperature will determine the sex of the future hatchlings. After spawning, the mother returns to the sea, leaving her offspring at the mercy of fate and terrestrial predators like crabs and birds. Only 1 in 1,000 neonates will manage to reach maturity, a reminder of how difficult survival is in the wild world. The green turtle is a keystone species, functioning as a natural mower that maintains the health and productivity of seagrass meadows. By consuming the tips of the grasses, it prevents them from decomposing and allows nutrients to circulate in the coastal ecosystem. Its nests also fertilize beach dunes, providing essential nitrogen and phosphorus for the growth of coastal vegetation. Despite its millennial resilience, this species is endangered due to habitat loss and human activity. Conserving these ancient navigators is protecting the balance of the oceans and ensuring the vitality of coral reefs worldwide. The journey of the green turtle is a lesson in perseverance, a reminder that life always seeks a path through the infinite blue. Protecting its future is our moral responsibility, so that this somber ocean continues to count on its longest-lived guardians. In the darkest and most mysterious corners of the seafloor, a being dwells whose intelligence challenges our understanding of invertebrate life. The common octopus, scientifically named Octopus vulgaris, dominates the waters of all oceans, from tropical reefs to deep abyssal cracks. Its body is a marvel of biological engineering, lacking bones and capable of compressing itself to pass through openings of only a few centimeters. It possesses thousands of specialized cells called chromatophores that allow it to change its color and texture in less than a second. Its nervous system is unique, with 500 million neurons distributed mostly in its 8 arms, allowing them to act independently. Each sucker is a highly sophisticated sensory receptor that can taste and smell the environment with amazing chemical precision. The octopus is a genius capable of solving complex puzzles, such as opening screw-top jars to reach its food methodically. It uses tools creatively, collecting coconut shells or seashells to build portable shelters against the fiercest predators. During the hunt, the octopus glides like a liquid shadow over the substrate, mimicking the rocks to stalk unsuspecting crustaceans. It launches its arms with lightning speed, wrapping its prey in a deadly embrace from which there is no possible escape. It possesses an extremely hard keratin beak that can exert a force of 120 newtons to pierce the resistant shells of crabs. Through this beak, it injects a paralyzing neurotoxin that subdues the victim in seconds, facilitating the consumption of internal tissues. To evade imminent danger, this master of escape releases a cloud of dark ink that confuses the senses of attackers. Its physiology includes 3 hearts that pump blue blood based on copper, optimized for life in cold waters of 10 degrees Celsius. Faced with a threat it cannot avoid, the octopus can autotomize an arm to distract the enemy while it flees rapidly. Its regenerative capacity is amazing, being able to recover a completely functional lost limb in a period of a few weeks. As a mid-level predator, the octopus regulates the population of mollusks, maintaining the biological balance and health of the seafloor. Its life cycle is brief but intense, dedicating its final phase to the obsessive protection of thousands of eggs until its own death. Each coordinated movement of this cephalopod is a display of superior neurological architecture that has lasted for millions of years. The octopus is the intelligent ghost of the reef, an alien mind reigning with terrifying elegance in the silence of the abyss. Among the corals and seagrass meadows, a being patrols that possesses the most advanced camouflage system in the natural world. The cuttlefish of the order Sepioida is known as the chameleon of the ocean for its ability to alter its skin in milliseconds. Its body houses a unique internal structure called the sepion, a porous bone that regulates its buoyancy with precision. It possesses 3 layers of pigment cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, which work in perfect visual harmony. By contracting its muscles, the cuttlefish can project dynamic patterns of electric colors to hypnotize its prey. It is capable of imitating not only color, but also the physical texture of rocks and algae through the expansion of papillae on its skin. During courtship, males deploy a display of rhythmic lights that flow through their bodies like a high-definition screen. Their W-shaped eyes possess polarization vision that allows them to detect camouflaged prey under sunlight. To hunt, it uses 2 hidden retractable tentacles that launch at a speed of 2 meters per second to catch shrimp. The impact of its tentacles generates a suction force that ensures the victim has no chance of escape. Its intelligence is amazing, showing a capacity for learning and memory superior to that of many marine vertebrates. It moves smoothly through the undulating movement of a thin fin that borders its entire compressed body. When it feels threatened, it uses jet propulsion to flee at a surprising speed, leaving a cloud of ink to confuse. The cuttlefish is an alpha predator in the micro-world of the reef, maintaining the biological balance of crustacean populations. It is the absolute master of light and shadow, an evolutionary jewel that shines with intelligence in the vastness of the ocean. Under the glare of tropical waters, a figure of hypnotic elegance sails, hiding a lethal threat. The lionfish, identified scientifically as Pterois volitans, is the ornamental warrior that dominates coral reefs. Its body is adorned with brown and white stripes, while its pectoral fins extend like majestic fans. It possesses 18 venomous spines distributed in its dorsal, anal, and pelvic fins, ready to inject a powerful toxin. The venom of these biological needles is a neurotoxin that causes extreme pain and paralysis in larger attackers. As a strategic hunter, it uses its fan-like fins to corner small fish against the reef rocks. Once the prey is immobilized by fear, the lionfish launches an explosive attack with lightning reaction speed. It generates a suction force that engulfs its victim whole before they can detect the predator's movement. In recent decades, its invasion into the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea has unbalanced the health of thousands of marine ecosystems. A single female can produce up to 2 million eggs per year, allowing a demographic expansion that has no natural predators. Its massive presence drastically reduces local biodiversity, consuming key species that maintain the cleanliness of corals. The lionfish is the most beautiful and terrifying intruder of the abyss, a masterpiece of evolution that reigns with destructive sovereignty. Under the silvery light that filters into the reef, a hydrodynamic shadow patrols with lethal elegance. The reef shark, scientifically known as Carchahinus amblyonchos, is the undisputed sovereign of the coral ecosystem. Its presence extends through the tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, inhabiting steep edges and crystalline lagoons. This predator possesses a fusiform body that allows it to reach a speed of 40 kilometers per hour in rapid lunges. Its greyish coloration on the back and white on the belly creates perfect countershading camouflage against the seabed. In its snout, it houses the ampullae of Lorenzini, electrochemical sensors that detect the heartbeat of hidden prey. Its sense of smell is a precision tool capable of tracking a single drop of blood diluted in 1 million liters of water. The triangular and serrated teeth are designed to grip and tear slippery prey with relentless force. During the night, the shark begins its silent stalk, moving like a ghost among the cracks of the coral structure. Upon locating a wounded fish, the shark arches its body and launches an explosive attack that breaks the calm of the darkness. The force of its bite can reach 500 newtons, ensuring that no victim manages to escape its powerful jaw. When it feels threatened, it performs an agonistic display by lowering its pectoral fins and swimming in an exaggerated S shape. As an alpha predator, it performs a vital mission by eliminating sick individuals and maintaining the genetic purity of species. Its role as a biological regulator prevents certain fish populations from growing out of control and destroying the reef's health. The reef shark is the guardian of the food pyramid, an essential link for the prosperity of the blue ocean. In the open waters beyond the reefs, a ray of pure energy emerges, dominating the oceanic stage with its infinite grace. The spinner dolphin, known scientifically as Stenella longirostris, is the most amazing acrobat of the marine world and a master of movement. This species inhabits all tropical and subtropical waters of the planet, establishing its dominance in the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans. Its body is thin and fusiform, a masterpiece of hydrodynamics that allows it to achieve unmatched agility under the surface. An adult specimen usually measures approximately 2 meters in length and weighs about 75 kilograms in its biological maturity. They are world famous for their behavior of jumping out of the water and spinning up to 7 times on their own axis in a single flight. This acrobatic maneuver generates a centrifugal force that helps remove parasites from their skin and functions as a potent communication signal. The intelligence of the spinner dolphin is exceptional, possessing a complex brain capable of processing social emotions and solving collective problems. They use echolocation to navigate the blue immensity, emitting sound pulses that bounce off objects to map their dark surroundings. During the night, they move toward deeper waters to initiate their hunting tactics in highly coordinated and efficient groups. Their strategy consists of surrounding schools of fish and squid, using bubbles and sounds to force the prey to rise to the surface. At the climax of the attack, the dolphin demonstrates its muscular power, reaching a speed of 40 kilometers per hour to capture its victim. They communicate through a sophisticated language of whistles, clicks, and body movements that maintain pod cohesion. Each individual possesses a unique signature whistle, an acoustic identity that allows it to be recognized by its companions at a great distance. The social bonds between them are extremely strong, protecting the sick and the young with a loyalty that defies danger. As a social predator, its presence regulates the populations of smaller species, guaranteeing the energy balance of the pelagic ecosystem. The spinner dolphin is the free spirit of the ocean, an ambassador of joy and vitality that shines under the tropical sun. Its skin is extremely sensitive, capable of detecting subtle changes in water pressure and the temperature of marine currents. During the day, they return to shallow bays to rest and socialize, recharging their energy for the next nocturnal journey. They are vital indicators of the sea's health. Their absence signals a drastic decline in biodiversity and water purity. The spinner dolphin remains as the maximum symbol of aquatic harmony, a warrior of the air and the water that fascinates humanity. Protecting these dancers of the immensity is ensuring that the symphony of wildlife continues to resonate in the blue heart of the planet. In the warm and crystalline waters of tropical lagoons, a peaceful figure glides with surprising grace. The manatee, known scientifically as Trichechus manatus, is the gentle giant reigning in the shallow world of estuaries. With a rounded body and a paddle-shaped tail, its silhouette is a testimony of calm adaptation to aquatic life. An adult specimen can reach a weight of 600 kilograms and a length of 3 meters, becoming a titan of the low beds. They move through coastal areas, seeking warm waters that remain above 20 degrees Celsius to survive. As a pure herbivore, the manatee is the sea cow that grazes in seagrass meadows for several hours a day. A single individual can consume up to 50 kilograms of vegetation in a day to maintain its massive energy reserves. Its life is defined by a slow pace, swimming at a calm speed of 5 kilometers per hour among the vegetation. Its prehensile lips are highly sensitive tools that allow it to grab and pull underwater plants with surgical precision. Every few minutes, they emerge to the surface to breathe, sticking their nostrils out under the golden light of sunset. They are peaceful and curious beings that show no aggressiveness toward other inhabitants of the aquatic world. Its body is covered with vibrissae, sensory hairs that detect subtle changes in water pressure and currents. They communicate through chirps and whistles that resonate in the silence of the mangroves, strengthening their social bonds. Their low metabolic rate allows them to survive in environments where oxygen and energy must be saved with wisdom. As a keystone species, the manatee maintains the health of seagrass beds, being the silent guardian of the world's estuaries. In the immensity of the blue ocean, a titan emerges whose presence stops time and fills the abyss with ancestral music. The humpback whale, scientifically named Megaptera novae angliae, is the great traveller of the seas and a master of aquatic acrobatics. An adult specimen can reach an amazing weight of 40,000 kilograms and a length of up to 16 meters in its physical prime. It possesses the longest pectoral fins of all cetaceans, limbs that measure 5 meters and act as powerful wings underwater. Every year, this giant undertakes an epic migration of more than 8,000 kilometers from polar waters to tropical refuges. They seek warm waters of 25 degrees Celsius to give birth and protect their young from open ocean predators. During this journey, the humpback whale depends exclusively on its thick fat layer, as it does not feed in tropical regions. The most enigmatic feature of the males is their complex song, a rhythmic sequence of sounds that can last up to 20 minutes. These underwater melodies are capable of traveling through hundreds of kilometers of water, transmitting messages of vigor and dominance. The humpback's song is one of the most sophisticated communications in the animal kingdom, constantly evolving in each season. They are famous for their spectacular jumps, raising their 40 tons out of the water before impacting with colossal force. The blow of its tail fin against the surface generates a force of thousands of newtons that resonates like thunder in the abyss. As a dedicated mother, the humpback whale guides her small calf, teaching it navigation routes and survival tactics. In defense against orcas, it uses its massive size and pectoral fins to create an impenetrable barrier for its calf. Its cooperative hunting technique, the bubble net, is a display of collective intelligence where several individuals work in harmony. By surrounding schools of fish with a curtain of air, they force the prey to concentrate before engulfing thousands of liters of water. They possess keratin baleen instead of teeth, acting as a biological filter that traps tons of krill and small fish. The humpback whale performs a vital ecological mission by transporting nutrients from the depths to the surface through its waste. Upon death, its body becomes an oasis of life on the seafloor, feeding hundreds of abyssal species for decades. Protecting these giants is ensuring the health of the global ocean and keeping alive the most majestic symphony of wild nature. Under the surface of the sea, there exists a world of strange forms that looks like an inanimate and eternal stone garden. These structures are the coral reefs, the silent architects building the densest and most vibrant cities on the planet. Science reveals a fascinating secret. Coral is not a plant or a rock, but a colony of tiny animals called polyps. Each polyp builds a fortress of calcium carbonate, creating the massive structures that protect the coasts of all oceans. These living cities cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but they house 25% of all known marine species. Corals maintain a magical alliance with algae called zooxanthellae, which grant them their bright colors and vital energy. In exchange for a safe home, The algae provide food through photosynthesis under the intense light of the tropical sun. A healthy reef is a center of constant activity, where thousands of beings find refuge, a mate, and sustenance every day. Growth is an extremely slow process, where some colonies only add 2 centimeters per year to their complex skeletal structure. Despite their robust appearance, corals are extremely sensitive to temperature changes of just 1 degree Celsius. Excessive heat causes bleaching, a biological tragedy that transforms these vibrant cities into white and silent cemeteries. Reefs function as natural barriers, absorbing wave energy that can reach thousands of newtons of destructive force. They are considered the medicine cabinets of the future, housing organisms with unique chemical compounds that are studied by modern science. Each branch and dome of coral is a masterpiece of biological engineering and collective effort unparalleled in nature. Protecting these living cities is essential to guarantee the vitality of the blue planet and the future of all coming generations. Descending into the abyssal depths where sunlight never reaches, absolute darkness is broken with flashes of electric blue and neon green. Bioluminescence is the magical ability of certain organisms to produce cold light through an internal chemical reaction between luciferin and oxygen. Crystal jellyfish float like ethereal lighthouses, emitting luminous pulses that travel through their transparent bodies in a silent and mystical dance. The firefly squid uses thousands of photophore organs to create a light show that attracts its prey and confuses the senses of attackers. In the unfathomable abyss, the anglerfish deploys its luminous lure that shines with a hypnotic intensity to attract victims to its powerful jaw. This biological flashlight works through symbiosis with light-emitting bacteria that reside in a protected cavity located above its head. It is estimated that 90% of the beings that inhabit the Midnight Zone use light to communicate, hunt, or defend themselves. Many fish use the counter-illumination technique, emitting a soft light on their belly that matches the sky's brightness to become invisible from below. When attacked, some crustaceans launch clouds of glowing mucus that temporarily blind the predator, allowing a rapid escape into the safety of the darkness. These abyssal lights are the stars of a submerged universe, a reminder that life always finds a way to shine even in absolute oblivion. Coral reefs are not a product of chance, but the result of a perfect oceanic machinery that operates without rest under the blue. For these metropolises to prosper, they require warm waters with a constant temperature ranging between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. Sunlight is the fundamental fuel, penetrating up to 50 meters deep to power the vital process of photosynthesis. Marine currents function as immense biological highways, transporting essential nutrients and plankton from the abyss to the surface. The constant flow of oxygen-rich water guarantees that polyps can build their calcium fortresses with astounding efficiency. These currents travel thousands of kilometers, connecting distant reefs and allowing the dispersal of larvae to new virgin territories. The transparency of tropical water is vital, allowing every sunbeam to reach the symbiotic algae residing in the coral tissue. Deep water upwellings bring minerals that fertilize the underwater garden, creating an unmatched explosion of biodiversity on Earth. The combination of heat, light and nutrients turns the reef into a massive incubator for thousands of species of fish and crustaceans. This climatic stability has allowed evolution to perfect complex life forms for millions of years under the infinite blue. The reef is a global ecological engine that regulates the health of the seas and protects the biological balance of the entire blue planet. Understanding these secrets is recognizing the fragility of a paradise where every current and every ray of light are the heartbeat of life itself. The future of our oceans, the blue heart that sustains life on Earth, faces today a silent and devastating storm. The global temperature increase of just 1 degree Celsius has caused the massive bleaching of coral reefs worldwide. What were once vibrant metropolises of biodiversity are becoming skeletal and desolate structures, leaving thousands of species without refuge. Each year, more than 8 million tons of plastic are dumped into the sea, contaminating currents and suffocating the most majestic animals. Industrial overfishing is decimating populations of apex predators like sharks, breaking the vital balance of the food chain. The oceans absorb 90% of the planet's surplus heat and produce the oxygen necessary so that every living being can breathe. The creation of marine protected areas is the only real hope to allow nature to recover and ecosystems to flourish again. Protecting the abyss is a moral responsibility of humanity to ensure that the planet's blue heartbeat does not stop forever. We must act with determination before the reef's shine and the whale's song become just a simple memory of the past. Safeguarding the underwater world is protecting our own existence and guaranteeing a legacy of untamed beauty for future generations. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to carry this message of respect far and wide. Every gesture helps protect nature's wonderful creation.